Speech buddies are a set of tools specially designed to help people overcome articulation disorders. Speech buddies use targets to help patients improve their tongue placement and coordination. For the S and SH sounds, position the Speech Buddy tooth stop on the front face of the top front teeth. Simply hold the handle still, and the Speech Buddy target will be positioned accurately. When the tip of the tongue touches the target, it is in position to pronounce the sound correctly. You can easily remove or position the Speech Buddy at any time during therapy or practice. There are great resources at www.speechbuddy.com, where you can find exercises, games, and other services that will help you use our product.